Alright, what's up guys? So today's video is going to be just kind of put together. I've recorded a lot of things, but I haven't actually put anything together. So I went to car meet, just walked around, got a couple videos of that, and then just kind of showing you guys what I'm doing to the car, putting tires on it. I got the headers in, but it's going to be a couple weeks maybe before I actually get all that done, getting the headers in and an E85 tune. And I already got the front tires on it. I'll show you guys a video of that. Same tires that came on it from factory, that's just not dry rotted. And the fronts will be coming soon. I still got to do a video, which will probably be in this one towards the end, so just stick around and find out and enjoy the video.
I had 2 apps so far.
I had 5.
Design, what is
Definitely time for some new tires out here. But I'm only putting on the fronts for now. The rears still have a little bit of left in them. They're just dry rotted, y'all can see. But I'm saving the rears for something. I gotta make sure they're at 0 tread lap before I get rid of these. Here's the meat for the fronts. Some Michelin, Pilot Sports, 295, 35, 19. And these are the rears. Everybody's been hyping them up. New Nitto tires. We'll see how they come out. See if they're good with the traction that I need help with. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna show you what a quick 40 roll will do. I'm gonna start off in first gear, and I still have the Michelin tires on it. I'm gonna try to do like a before and after, see if those Nittos really make that huge of a difference. Let's see if I actually get a lane here in Mexico to do a little pull. I'll be back with you guys in just a second. It does that, but I had it on track mode just now, and every time I put it like in a different mode, it gives me a different, like a rev limiter. Like that one cuts me off at 79 and some change. I should be able to rev this car out to 8,300 RPM, so I don't know why it does that, but I'm gonna keep it in normal mode and try it again, see if it'll actually let me rev it out a little bit longer. Let's see. 40 roll. God damn. That could have been really bad. Tires are still cold, obviously. But that's fine. I got them spinning because I'm about to put those new ones on there anyway, so I'm trying to get rid of them as quick as I can. But that one revved up to almost 82. And I guess I just bounced off the limiter. Alright, so these are the headers, Corsa. Fast goodies inside. These are the connecting pipes that go back to the factory exhaust. I want to keep all the open valves and all that, so I can manage how loud it's going to be in the mornings, because my neighbors are going to hate me if I don't. Here are the headers right here. The other one's back here. So I got headers already. We do have to do a lot of work. Those are the stock manifolds right here. We do have to remove the engine mount right there, the steering linkage on this side. On this side we got to do the starter. It's going to be kind of a pain to do here in a couple weeks or so. I'm going to get it done, and these are going to be long tubes. I got Corsa that'll connect to the factory exhaust, and then it'll come back to the factory mufflers with the open valves in them, so it'll be quiet and loud at the same time. Well, alright guys, I appreciate you guys coming back to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Give it a like and share me. Subscribe. I'm still trying to get to 100 before Christmas. Got the last tire about to be put on, and then headers will be coming on next week. We're gonna try to do it like here and there at work every other day. So thank you guys for coming, and have a good day.